Africa, love it now and forevermore. I feel reborn. Take the time to pause, hear the lion's scary roar. Look in the grass, the rhinoceros had just been born. Away, oh, way, oh, home. Herds of buffaloes strolling with their his halo shooting as they go. They look up to say hello. Far away on African safari, far away on African safari, one happy family. Away, oh, way, oh, home. Way up in the sky, multicolored birds fly by, flying up and down. The song they sing has no sound. Away, oh, way, oh, home. Laughing hyenas, elephants, and big wild boars will in harmony, abiding with nature's laws. Away, oh, way, oh, home. Black and white zebras hang around with twitching ears, and now a giraffe on a tree, he rubs his back. Far away on African safari, far away on African safari, one happy family. Tribes playing drum beat vibes, dancing in a circle to pass some time. Way, oh, way, oh, way, oh, way, oh, way, oh, way, oh. It will captivate your mind. Far away on African safari, far away on African safari. Why don't you come with me? Away, oh, way, oh, home. In the muddy lake, bathing in the sun, they bake, flock, oh, down with smiles, looking like big rubber tires. Away, oh, way, oh, home. A snake with a tombstone face, and the body coiled like a dinner plate, sways like flowers and with grace. Far away on African safari.